Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing this simple and quick recipe how I make this delicious popcorn. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. And also turn on your notification bell for you to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. Guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get started.